Hi guys, so this is the next video in the chapter 15 series. So today we'll be looking into examining the activities of Colombo Stock Exchange. Let's start off by looking into the Colombo Stock Exchange. This establishment administering the buying and selling of the shares of listed companies is known as the Colombo Stock Exchange. The Colombo Stock Exchange is company limited by guarantee. The brokering companies act there as full members. These brokering companies function as intermediaries in the Colombo Stock Exchange. The function of the CSE are regulated and monitored by the Sri Lanka Securities and Exchange Commission. Now let's look into some reasons for the Colombo share market to be important. Encouraging individuals and institutions for investments. Investors can enjoy various benefits by investing through CSE like capital gains, dividends, etc. Companies get the opportunity to collect a large capital, ability to attract foreign investors to the country, creates a value for company shares. Primary market. Direct purchasing of shares by investors from a company that involves in issuing shares is the primary market. Secondary market. Purchasing of shares by investors from Colombo Share Market is the secondary market. A limited company has three options to register in the share market. Through an initial public offer. Registering through an initial public offer is a company getting listed in the share market after inviting the public to invest by issuing shares for the first time. Through an offer for sale. A company that has already issued shares can get listed to present the shares for sale which already belongs to the public through the share market is known by this. Through an introduction. A company can get listed in the share market as an introduction without issuing shares to the public. Boards in the share market. When registering of companies in the share market, all companies are listed under two boards. Main board, the reserve board. The main board. The board separated for the companies with large stated capital is the main board. There are some conditions to be fulfilled for the ordinary shares to be listed in the main board. The stated capital for the company should be at least 500 million rupees. Profit should have been earned before tax continuously for at least 3 previous years before the day of applying to be listed. The net assets of the business should be confirmed by the audited financial reports of the nearest 2 years before the day of applying. And at least 25% of shares issued should belong to the public. The reserve board. The board separated for the companies established with limited stated capital is the reserve board. There are few conditions to be fulfilled to be listed in the reserve board. The stated capital of the company should not be less than 10 million rupees. At least 10% of shares issued should belong to the public. The net assets of the business should be confirmed by the audited final reports for the year which is before the day of applying to be listed. The active time period of the company should be at least 2 years. And then there is another board. This is known as watch list board, in which the companies those violate or do not follow the conditions of listing are entered. This was earlier called default board. So that's it with this video guys. Please do like and share to learn and let others learn. Thank you.
Created using Powtoon.